this is Ryan with the Linkosaurus training team, and in this video we're going to cover how to add a manager or a supervisor to your organization. So from the team tab, we're going to select supervisor to start, and then you're going to click add user. Because you selected supervisor start, the supervisor tab should be already selected. If by chance you want to switch to manager, all you need to do is select manager. But for this example, we're going to start here. And the reason this is important is because when you select supervisor, these fields by default are going to be unchecked, which basically means you're not going to require post approval. So if this team member wants to post something to the Facebook pages that they're assigned to, they are not going to have to get approval from you or somebody else in the organization. Also, this is checked off if you need required approval for Google My Business replies. So if somebody gives you a Google review, you are not requiring this team member to have approval from someone else before that reply is being published. You can always turn these on or off. Enter the team member's name, enter the email, select their time zone, and click send invitation. And they will get an email notification saying they have been asked to join your organization within Linkosaurus. And once they accept, then they can be actively using their account on Linkosaurus. If you want to create a manager, going back to the tab here, we'll select manager here, go back to add user. You'll notice it starts with manager here, and by default these are checked. You can always uncheck these. Same principle applies for supervisor. If these are checked, then the supervisor of this manager or somebody else will need to approve one or both of these settings depending on what this user is going to be doing. Add their name, email, and time zone, send invitation, and they will also receive an invitation to join Linkosaurus and use the features you've given them access to. What you can also do right after you do this is assign them a location. All you would do is go to location, list of locations. Let's say we're going to pick this location. And then from your team tab here, you can then select their name from the drop-down after you have added them. You can also add team members from this tab as well. If you have any questions about this, you can always go to your profile and go to support, and a Linkosaurus team member will be there to assist. And as always, link and soar with us.